go get my brows done for the second time at the same place I went to last time, and I'm really excited because she did such a good job. She does the same method as Anastasia of Anastasia of Beverly Hills. Look at how nice she did my brows. She filled them in for me too. This makes me want to have my brows microbladed. If they could look done 24/7, that would be great. I just pulled up to Wegmans. I have to get a new protein powder and some more frozen fruits. I think I want to get blueberries. I'm in the mood for a blueberry smoothie later. I ordered my matcha latte and I'm like, hi, can you please blend the matcha powder before adding any ice? And she's like, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Like, give me a little attitude. I'm like, okay, just asking, because some people, I was at a Starbucks and some girl told me, the girl working there, she's like, yeah, some people blend it, some people don't, so just tell them to blend it. And guess what? She didn't blend it. She just shook it, but you have to blend the matcha powder. Otherwise, it's just chunks of matcha down here. And it's not fun to drink your drink and like a chunk of matcha powder just comes up. Whatever. I asked for a venti matcha iced green tea latte, and then I have them make it with light ice, and the light ice is a lot. So imagine like just the regular ice that they add, that light ice is a lot. So I always say light ice, and then I add 3 packs of stevia. But I think next time I'm gonna cut back to 2 packs because this is very sweet. So I think I'm gonna do 2 packs next time. But those are the key things: light ice and the extra packs of stevia for sweetness. I had a few minutes before my next appointment, so I came home. I thought I was actually gonna have at least a good hour and a half, but since I was running around after my brows, I didn't have that much time left, and I really wanted to finish editing this video, but it's okay, we're gonna finish it as soon as I get home again. Now I'm heading to my lash appointment. I'm getting my lashes filled in, which I feel like maybe next time I'll schedule a 3-week fill instead of a 2-week, because they look pretty full to me. I can only imagine how nice they're gonna look after I actually get them filled now. And I'm back again for my appointment. I feel like I feel like my lashes are a little too much right now. I don't know, I can't tell if I love them or not. I feel like these kind of lashes look better when you have makeup on. When you don't have makeup on, like all you see is the lashes. Now that I'm home, I have to finish editing the video. I'm gonna make myself some dinner, and I have to finish opening up all of the packages that I laid out in my living room. In the last vlog, while I was cleaning my beauty room, I put all the packages out here. And they're still there because I haven't gotten to them. So I'm gonna try to do that today. That way I can throw all the boxes out. It is the next day, and you guys won't believe it, but it's snowing again over here. I checked the weather for Jersey and they're not getting any snow. And it's been snowing here all day. It's gonna keep snowing until tonight, which is really annoying, but whatever. What else is new at this point? I feel like I go to Trader Joe's in every vlog. But I wanted to pick up some things to make Chris a pasta that he likes. And the craziest thing happened to me there, so I gotta tell you guys. I'm at Trader Joe's and I'm looking for something, and this man starts like yelling about me, and I was just in shock. I'm like, what is happening? Or like, is somebody playing a joke on me? Like, what is happening? And he was just like yelling. He was like, look at her, she looks like a... And he said some word that sounded Italian, because he had like an Italian accent and the word sounded Italian. He was like, she looks like a something. I don't know what the word was. And at that point when he said that, I didn't know he was talking about me, but then he kept on. And I was the only girl there, and it was just him and a Trader Joe's employee behind the counter, like where they make the samples, like by the coffee. If you've been to a Trader Joe's, you know what I'm talking about. He's like, look at her, look at that coat. Why does she have a coat that big? Watch her, she's gonna steal something. Look at her, she just looks like she's gonna steal. I was like, what the fuck is happening? I was wearing my really big oversized black coat, so he was, and I'm dressed like all in black. Like, I don't know, I'm just dressed in baggy clothes because it's snowing outside. and because I feel like it. He wouldn't stop saying that I was gonna steal, and I'm just like, I'm literally walking around with a cart with all the things in my car, like no purse. I didn't even have a purse, so what am I gonna steal? Anyways, so yeah, I just walked away because he really sounded unstable, and I'm not about to argue with an unstable grown-ass man, because what if he like loses his shit and punches me or something? Like, I don't know, but I mean, I'll fight back, but I'm not gonna entertain an unstable man. And yeah, that was my trip to Trader. I can't believe that happened to me at Trader Joe's. Like, that is my safe place, you know, that is where I go to be happy and buy food that I like. Oh my god, I can't believe that happened to me. Things like that happen to me all the time. I never talk about it, but things like that happen to me all the time. Just a couple of months ago, I was in the city and this man yelled at me. Like, he was verbally attacking me, and I had to walk away from that situation also, because you could tell that he was unstable. We were in the middle of the streets in New York City, and I'm waiting outside for my Uber, and he tried to hug me, and I backed up, and I was like, no, I'm okay. Like, I wasn't rude or anything. I was just like, hey, sorry, no. Like, I'm always too fucking nice. That's my problem. And he got mad that I wouldn't let him give me a hug, and it's like, I'm not letting anybody give me a hug. It could have been a woman walking up to me trying to give me a hug. I'm gonna say back up, because it's my personal space. I don't know you. What if you come close and you take a bite out of my cheek? That's how I think. I'm very paranoid. Like, I know if I don't know you and we're in the middle of the streets, like, don't come at me, especially if you're a man. I'm sorry, but that makes me feel very uncomfortable. So yeah, he started yelling at me in the middle of the New York City streets. That was lovely, and I just had to walk away once again, because I'm like, yo, he was really worked up and angry. Like, he was yelling so hard at me that you could see the spit like on his mouth, and I was scared that he was gonna spit at me. So I just walked away, and my friend was on the other corner because we couldn't find our Uber, and we were both looking on both corners. So yeah, I just walked towards her, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna stay right here because I just got verbally attacked. But yeah, little things like that happen to me all the time, and it's so uncomfortable in the moment, and I'm also always just in shock that that even happened. Good morning. We're gonna make some coffee today. Oh crap, I'm trying to be quiet. Some café bustelo. Trying to get this quietly. Oh my god. Whenever you're trying to be super quiet, that's when you make the most noise ever. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm showing Chris the monitor that I got in the last vlog because I haven't been able to get it to work. So this is the monitor, and this is the cord that I bought from Best Buy, remember? It connects to the DSLR, but it doesn't connect to this monitor.
You bought a chair?
A chair?
Yeah.
No, that's a garment rack that you got to put together for me also.
Okay. I have to.
I tried to do it.
I'm just kidding, baby. I'm just kidding.
I tried to do I tried to do it, and it was a fail. I think it might be defective, honestly. Chris actually figured out what cable I might need to connect the monitor to my DSLR camera. So I ordered it on Amazon. It's gonna get here in 2 days, and hopefully that works. Oh my god, by the way, I love this hand cream. I got it at Trader Joe's yesterday, but I've had my eye on this hand cream for a while because they had it at each of the cash registers. They had like a sample for you to try, and I tried it, and it feels really, really nice. First of all, I'm really picky with my hand creams because I like them to be moisturizing, but I don't like to feel like my hands are oily. Like, I don't like to feel like they have product in it. And this hand cream disappears right into your hands, and I love it. I heard one of the Trader Joe's workers telling someone that these are seasonal, like they won't always have this. Maybe they'll have a different scent or something. So I think I might stock up and get like 1 or 2 more because I really, really like it. It's called the Rose Oil Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. You're not gonna believe this, but well, probably you will believe it because in literally every vlog I go to Trader Joe's like 3 times, but I'm going to Trader Joe's today. However, it is because, I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind taking a million trips to Trader Joe's because I don't know anyone here, so it's kind of nice to just get out the apartment. But I've been having the Starbucks iced matcha green tea latte. It tastes so good, and I feel like it should be pretty simple to make, so I'm gonna try to pick up some things from Trader Joe's and attempt to make my own matcha green tea latte. I'm also gonna buy it at Starbucks so that I can have it with me and I can compare to the one that I make and make sure that I'm on the right track. So yeah, I'm going to get the ingredients that I need to make my iced matcha green tea latte myself. Oh, I have to ship something out. Let me go. I have to ship out a Poshmark order. Somebody ordered a phone case and I gotta go ship that out. Let me. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot my earrings. Okay. First stop of the day is going to be the post office. I just have to drop off the Poshmark order and Target, because I think Target's the closest store that has my coffee creamer. You guys are gonna think this is so extra, but I got 2 matcha drinks only because I got my original order, and then I got a small one with coconut milk because some of you guys recommended that I try it with coconut milk, and I wanted to see how good it would actually be. I'm actually not the biggest fan of coconut milk, that's why I'm a little scared to try it that way. Let's see. See, I don't love that. It's too coconutty for me. But I'm still gonna drink it. It's still good, but it's a little too coconut for me. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that. I wish I was into coconut more, but I'm just not. Like, I don't like coconut on my food, my treats. The only drink that I love with the coconut milk is that pink drink from Starbucks. That one does not taste like coconut to me. It just tastes. I feel like this is where I last spoke to you guys earlier today. It's been a few hours since I picked up the camera. There's just not much going on. I have really bad allergies. They've been bothering me since yesterday. Right after this, I'm gonna wash my makeup off and just get comfortable because my eyes, oh my god, my eyes and my nose, I have not stopped sneezing like for 2 days straight. It's a problem. But let me stop complaining, because what I wanted to do was actually try to make my own. Do you see Max playing? He just got a burst of energy. He was sleeping and when I got up, he just got a burst of energy. But anyways, I want to try to make I want to try to make the Starbucks iced matcha green tea latte here. I don't know how good it's gonna be because it's my first time trying, but I picked up a couple of things. I got this matcha green tea powder from Trader Joe's. It's actually the Trader Joe's brand, and it comes in little single packets because the only other matcha they had was already mixed with milk. It was a powder form, but it was already mixed with milk, which I found weird. But I guess if you're gonna make matcha lattes, it works out. But I just didn't want it with the regular milk because I know it would upset my stomach, so I didn't get that one. I got this one instead, the little single serve packets. Why didn't anybody tell me how expensive matcha powder was? This little box that only brings 7 packets costs $7, so I guess $1 per serving of matcha. But I checked on Amazon and I found a matcha powder that had good reviews, and if all goes well with this trial of the 7 packets, I'm gonna order it from Amazon. That way I'm not spending $7 on this little thing. No wonder the matcha lattes are so expensive at Starbucks, because matcha is very expensive. But there's a lot of good benefits to matcha. A quick little thing came up on Pinterest that says 10 amazing benefits of matcha. It's high in antioxidants, increases energy level, enhances mood, boosts immune system, stimulates metabolism, detoxifies, boosts concentration, improves skin, lowers cholesterol, and helps prevent cancer. That sounds pretty good. I love how I was telling you guys what I got and all I mentioned was the matcha powder. I also picked up the Trader Joe's liquid stevia. Oh, so I got that, and then I got vanilla soy milk. I know it's not really great to drink soy every single day, but I honestly think everything in moderation is perfectly fine, and I would rather drink this than drink cow's milk. So yeah, I got this from Trader Joe's. This is the organic soy vanilla flavored soy milk, because I saw that at Starbucks they use a vanilla flavored soy milk. I was watching them, I was spying on them when they were making my drink. This is the 1 cup that I use, but I guess this glass is so big that it just looks like I have a little bit here. But I have to say, for my very first attempt, this tastes really good, but it could be better. I think I use a little too much stevia, and it needs more matcha powder too. But for my first attempt, I'm actually pretty proud of myself, and I feel confident that I'm going to master this recipe, and when I do, I will share with you guys. Oh, I wanted to give you guys one more little update, because as you know, in my last vlog, I was pretty much living by myself for the week since Chris was away on a little trip, and he's back now. He just got back last night. And I have to say that I was really scared when he first left. I didn't want to be here alone, and I was really creeped out the first day alone, like the first night alone. Because in the daytime I'm kind of fine, but in the nighttime is when I was a little creeped out. And I have to say, it actually became a really peaceful experience. I enjoyed my time alone. Yeah, it was really nice to have that peace and quiet, but at the same time, I'm glad he's back, because I'm always here alone anyways. I don't need that much peace and quiet. It actually was pretty fine. You get used to it. But that being said, I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.